Finding your perfect fit. Trying Crocs in store.
Hello there, footwear enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a question that many Crocs shoppers have. Can I try on Crocs in store to ensure I'm picking the right size? In this video, we'll walk you through the process of trying on Crocs in a physical store and how to ensure you're getting the perfect fit for your feet.
Can you try on Crocs in store?
The short answer is yes, you can absolutely try on Crocs in store. Most shoe stores, including those that carry the Crocs brand, have a general policy that allows customers to try on shoes before purchase. This ensures that you are getting the right size and the most comfortable fit. Remember that comfort is key when choosing any footwear, especially Crocs, which are renowned for their comfort and support.
How to pick the right size Crocs.
When you're in the store, follow these steps to ensure you're getting the right size. 1. Ask the store associate for assistance. They are usually very knowledgeable about the products and can provide you with sizing charts if you're unsure of your size. 2. Try on the Crocs. Make sure you're wearing the type of socks you'll normally wear with the shoes, if any. 3. Walk around the store a bit to ensure they're comfortable. The heel should have a secure, snug fit but not too tight. Your toes should not touch the front of the shoe, and there should be some space around them. 4. Crocs are designed to have a loose fit, so if you feel they're a bit roomy, that's probably correct. If it feels too tight or uncomfortable, try the next size up.
What if my size falls between two sizes?
Crocs sizing can be a bit tricky, as they often offer only whole sizes. If you fall between two sizes, there are different recommendations for men and women. For men, if you are typically a half size, it's recommended that you size up to the next whole size. For women, if you are typically a half size, it's recommended that you size down to the next whole size. Always remember, comfort should be your guide. If the recommended size doesn't feel right, opt for the one that does. So, there you have it. Yes, you can try on Crocs in store, and it's the best way to ensure you're getting the perfect fit. Use these tips on your next shopping trip, and you'll be stepping out in comfort and style. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy shoe shopping!